So ever since I posted a video about Comet 3A Atlas, the interstellar comet, that it is crossing the asteroid belt, I was thinking like how close it is coming to all these other asteroids and comets. So I do wanted to figure that out. It's there back of my mind. So I do have few minutes to figure out what I need to do. I kept researching on this area and trying to figure out what's happening there. I wanted to share my findings with you, and it's fascinating. You have to stay with me for some time and we'll figure this out. Starting September 19th, where 3 Atlas is. With respect to Mars, that's where it is. And then it goes towards Jupiter, which is, where is Jupiter? It's right there, right? So it goes from Mars to Jupiter. This is all the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. That's why we are interested trying to figure out what's happening when it is crossing the asteroid belt. So you are watching the Comet 3A Atlas going to Mars, then going to Jupiter. All right? So let's figure this out. So 3A Atlas now going closer to Mars, and then crossing Mars, going towards the path of Jupiter. I'm making it go a little faster, passing all those asteroid belts. So many of the asteroids and comets it is coming close to. We are going to see other asteroids and the distances, and then it come close to the Jupiter and then leaves the solar system. That's what it is planning to do. So let's figure this out. So today is September 19th, and let's locate where the Comet 3A Atlas is. So right now it is approaching Mars. So right now we should be able to see Comet 3A Atlas coming close to Mars. That's what you are seeing right now, right? So the Comet 3A Atlas is coming close to Mars. Now, in this moment between Comet 3A Atlas and the Mars, at this moment, the distance between these two objects is 34 million miles, million kilometers. And it is going down as it comes close. So as it comes closer and closer to the October 3rd, it is going to come pretty close to Mars. So it's 31, today is October 1st. And it is still going. October 2nd is 29. 28. I had to track these because I just wanted to go a little faster. And that's pretty much it. So from that 29, it went back to 32, right? So the closest point that it could reach would be that 29 something, right? 29.29, 28, 28.45, and it's increasing. So 28.45 million miles, that's how close this Comet 3A Atlas is coming to Mars. It's pretty fascinating to see that it is coming that close to Mars and leaving. right? And still quite farther away. 28 million miles is not small, but in planetary terms, that is fairly significant distance, basically, to come closer to Mars, and then this comet is zipping through. Because of the speed it is flying, it's not attracted to any of the objects, right? Only thing that we need to be concerned about is how close it is coming to any of these objects. So that's 28 million miles from Mars. Okay, so all right, stay with me on this and I'll show you. So that's Mars, right? It is, right now we are October. So I did plotted the other asteroids and comets right now. So it is now going and moving towards these other objects. Let's keep going and see if it is coming close to the other objects or not, right? So right now, this comet is going, hold on. How far it is coming to Florence, right? Let's check. So 169, that is pretty much what it is, right? So before that it was 185, 3, 166, 167, 168. So it's like 169 million miles to one of those objects. All right, so let's keep checking. So this is 3 Atlas, and I know it is going close to this. I don't want to mess up with this name, but that Golevka, I believe. I wanted to test the distance between these two. So let's figure that out, because I know it came pretty close to that. That's what I had in mind to check. At this moment, it is coming close to 446 million miles, and I wanted to see how it does with respect to the time. So let's keep going. I just made it a little faster. $127. I wanted to slow it down a little bit. 41, 40. I cannot catch up. It is coming close to 45 or so, right? Where is it? Right there. So let's go back a little bit. 45. Okay. 71. This planet is going in the opposite direction. So, in a way, it comes only at one single point of time closer. Before and after, it is either approaching fast or leaving fast. Okay, it's a good thing one way, right? So let's keep watching as it comes closer. 45. I'm trying to catch up with this. 40 million miles. 40 million kilometers. I keep saying miles, I'm sorry. 49. Okay, so somewhere in the 45 million kilometers is when, and it is flying at 270,000 kilometers per hour. That's amazing speed. All right. So let's fast forward. So now this is going closer to Jupiter as we speak, right? So the next target for this is going closer to Jupiter. So I wanted to see if we can figure out the distance between and Jupiter. And it is going down as we speak, right? It's approaching Jupiter close by. I know in March of 2026, it is going closer to Jupiter. So I wanted to see how close it goes to Jupiter. Jupiter is a huge planet, so you don't want to go near it. I want to see how close it is going. For Mars, it is going around 35 million kilometers. So we do wanted to see how far it is going close to Jupiter. 229, it's going down. 211, 200. One 143, 127, 140, 94, 77, 64. No wonder they said it is actually having encounter with all these planets. It is going pretty close to each one of these planets. $90. So it's going pretty safe distance and leaving. Did you see that? So it went up to like 85, 87, 83, 76, 73, 71, 69. Now I was paying attention to one of the Jupiter's moons. I was not looking at the numbers, so I have to go back and look at it. 59, 57, 56, 55, 4, 3, 53, 54. Okay, so 54 million kilometers. So it knows how close it should not go. Okay, so for Mars, it went up to 35 million kilometers. For Jupiter, it's almost double the distance. Interesting, right? I do have a question. It is going close to Sun and going behind the Sun, right? So let's watch that. Before going to Jupiter, it is after having encounter with Mars, it is actually going to going close to Sun and staying behind the Sun. I mean, staying behind the Sun is with respect to Earth, right? So this is Earth. So now let's rewind time a little bit. So into Mars, it is going October 3rd, right? So I'm going to have October 4th view where this comet is. So October 4th, it is very, very close to Mars, right? So from this point onwards, look at where Earth is right now. It's right here, right? So now let's see if we can see how far it goes closer to Sun. So Earth is right here, Sun is right here, Mars is right here, and this planet is, this comet is right now close to here, okay? So now what we wanted to check is how close it is going to Sun. Okay, it's 244 million kilometers at this moment to Sun. Okay, so let's check how close it gets to Sun as time passes by from October 4th through the end of this year. So it's going down 205. Or 205, that's it. 222. So on November 15, let me go back. So today is November 2nd from a calendar standpoint. When I'm looking at this, it's at 203 million kilometers. It's staying away from Sun. It can't go too close. $203 million kilometers. I'm doing a reverse, 202. That's it, 202 million kilometers. 3A Atlas to Earth. So from this point onwards, it is supposed to come closer to Earth. Once it is, yeah, so let's watch. So this is coming closer to Earth in December. I think 217, 269. Sorry, I had to move this around because these planets are moving, comet is moving, date is moving, time is moving. 275, okay, so $276, I'm just going back. 274, 273, 272, 270 million kilometers, 269, 268. Okay, so basically it is 268, 265 million kilometers. It's staying away quite far from us and it is passing us. Let's check the distance to the Apollo. 91. This is in December. $78, $77, $76, $76.7. So it's staying 77 million kilometers from it. to Midas, quite far. Oumuamua, very, very, very far. It's like 7 billion kilometers away. So the previous interstellar comet was Oumuamua, and that was 7 billion kilometers away from where this Comet 3A Atlas is right now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do like it, please share, subscribe, come back for further updates on a lot of these astronomy related stuff. Thanks everyone for watching. Cheers, guys.